good, trading world? Yeah, man, back in action today, Monday, after having a little bit of time off from trading. Back, did the Monday market breakdown today. Let me take this damn hat off, bro. Shit. Keep my bald head alive, bro. Yeah, what I'll do is I'll, I don't have my MT4. I have MT4 like in this VPS, so I can't really show it that way. But what I have the screen recording running. So I made today, I took USD CHF. I got stopped out of that trade because I put the wrong stop loss. I wasn't actually supposed to get stopped out, so that was just literally a mistake. I'm up $1,000, 1% for that, and then I have these two other trades running on UJ and USD CHF. All right. I'm kind of just gonna do a quick like little breakdown of these trades, and I'm gonna see if I can like actually show you also these trades that I called out in Discord as well, because we have like a Discord community for our traders. So I'll show you guys where I called out these trades in Discord as well, and then just give you like my thoughts of why I took these trades, why we're in them, whatever, and you know, show you kind of like another live trading session. I did one when I first started this channel. Right, I did one when I first started this channel, and it was almost like the same amount of money I'm making again. It was this one right here. This is like when I first launched the channel, I made like $2,000. So I still have the screen recording running, right? Yeah. Actually, no, it stopped. Okay, I'm gonna do the screen recording again. So right now in profit of, let me just see. Right now we're running in about $1,200 of profit. Let's start with the UJ trade. All right. I sold up here. I already took some profit on the screen recording. You can see I took profit on UJ at 123,484 prematurely, but it's Monday, man. It's Monday. I want to get my money. I want to get paid, and just that's it. You know what I mean? I don't want to be risking too much shit. So, the thought process behind this trade was, you know, obviously it's Monday. We pushed up. We've been pushing up for quite a long time. This was the original supply area that I drew out for a Monday market breakdown, wanting to come back up here to sell there. But one thing I realized was that we had already pushed down, and we created, basically we had created, so I just went down to a little bit lower time frames. Obviously we have this structure, and what I always do is I always have like a final destination. That's what I like to call it, final destination, where I think the market will come down to. So my original take profit was like just here. I took profit way too early, man, but it's okay. And I know that we're coming down here for a fact, which we've already done. It's done, right? Let me remove this one as well, just so this stuff's out of the way. This was the original trade, right? So what I like to do, man, with sometimes when I'm scalping or scaling in and things like that, I already know I missed this sort of move, and it could be a potential reversal, but we're still in an uptrend. So I just wanted to catch a nice little something on a Monday. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to go crazy on a Monday. I don't like trading Mondays. Mondays are not for me. But if I see something happening and I can take a quick scalp on it, you know, why not? So I drew actually this out on the 1 minute. It was this sort of supply area I drew on the 1 minute, and I know we're on a downtrend, and potentially, you know, the people are just, you know, this is leaving just a little bit of liquidity, not a lot, but this is, you know, the perfect example of what we call a bear flag, and boom, it played out perfectly as I assumed. And I, you know, I'll show you where I showed it in Discord. I actually sent this one in the free Telegram. I don't even use the free Telegram, bro. If you're in there, you're lucky, because I just cut out the links for people to even join. And literally the drawdown on this trade was like 6 pips. Nothing. Literally no drawdown. I already took. And then so I actually have another entry, which if my screen recording has stopped, I need to start it again. I have another entry on UJ. And that's why I have this little horizontal ray here, because I put the stop loss just a little bit above my entry. I have entry at 385. with 4 lots because I just went lower down again, and I found like another little supply and just took that sell. I think I'm just gonna take profit on it, man. Fuck it. I'm not trying to wait on them. I'm not trying to. Yeah, I'm done. I mean, look, there's a very good chance that we have so much liquidity sitting down here that we can eventually come down to here. But like on a Monday, do I really want to take the chance of getting? I'm gonna get taken out. So you know what? I'm gonna close this just for being soft. I'm being soft. Being soft. You know what I mean? This trade could potentially continue to run. If during the Asian session, you know what, everybody, we are back. And so the last clip you guys probably saw was me Monday, you know, and I'll explain what had happened on Monday. Tuesday, I took a few trades. Today's Wednesday, so I'll just show you today's date. And basically kind of turned into like a recap of a trading week, right? I kind of tried to show myself doing the live trading on Monday, and now we're kind of into Thursday, and I'm trading just that one account that's linked to my personal account. It's the My Forex funds. It's the last video I actually released where I show a payout on, and I got paid out very well on it. And this is the same account, and this week I'm up right on the dot 6.5%, which is $6,500. All right. At this point, I should, like, I'm done, okay? Like, that's a lot of money. My usual, like, go-to is, like, you know, if I'm making 2-3% on a funded account, that's good enough for me. At this point, I'm just being greedy by being in this GU trade, and I'll quickly just, you know what I'm saying, pop that up on the screen. I'm going to go break even as soon as I can on these trades because it would just be greedy for me. Like, look at the equity on right now. It's 109, right? Like, 9. If you're up on a funded account past 6%, like, yo, it's done. Your day's over, right? Your week, everything is over. So I'm gonna stop trading this account because it makes no more sense. So it gave me the chance to kind of show you guys the actions live, and I'll take you into the My Forex Fund portal so I can show you the analytics of this week, and we'll kind of jump into that. So that's the account analyzer on My Forex Funds. You know, I gotta do a little bit of better job of maybe doing recording the lives. But yeah, so this week started off Monday. That's when I started recording. I think I was up 2% on this account at that time when I started trading Monday. Monday's when I like came back from, you know, that whole little a trip away from trading, taking a break, just taking a step back, man, refreshing my mind, and I came back to, you know, obviously my same strategy. Everything's the same. It's just, you know, my mind was in a much better place now, and that just goes to show you, like, if you have, you know, worked on your risk management, if you have, you know, at least somewhat worked on your emotions, and, you know, you don't overtrade, you stick to the plan, you have a strategy that works, you know, whether like if you're in my program or if you're somewhere else, as long as you have confidence in the strategy, you know how to use it, what the rules are. Like, I know in and out what my, like, when to take a trade, when not to take a trade, when to enter, when to, struggling with the exits. I'm not even gonna lie, okay? A lot of trades ran like 5, 6, 7 hour, and I cut them short just out of like fear. But you know what I mean? I still made good money. So that just goes to show you, man. If you can get the first 2 things down and then the strategy part, you know, you can do an amazing job. So we'll just go back. I think the 28th was the Monday, right? That's when I started trading, because before that, if we look, it was just the 24th is when I made a little bit of money here, there, whatever. 28th, I believe the 28th was a Monday. Let me actually just confirm that, because it should have been 100% 28th was the Monday. That's when I started trading. That's when I started recording. And as you can see, they're just, you know, I was risking another thing, I was risking 0.5%. So had I risked the full percent, I would have made 13%. Okay, 13%. Risking 0.5%, I was closing, as you can see, 1 hours, 2 hours, less than 2 hours, less than, you know, 2 hour again, a little over 2 hour. And this trade EJ, I could have held this for like a solid 5 hour. USD CHF, I could have held for in the start that I had a win on USD CHF. That's why it shows USD CHF as the most traded pair. I could have held that for like a 1 to like 10, I think. So, this is kind of just what I wanted to do this week, was just hit some 1 to 2s, you know what I'm saying? And the markets are definitely moving in our favors, especially with this. Every strategy is going to have its ups and downs, but you know, last year was an amazing year, man. I just posted on my Instagram, my biggest day and week of last year was like, I think it was like $14,000 for the day and like 22 something thousand dollars for the week. And we have somebody in the program, LP trading program, Adam, you know, he just actually smashed the FTMO leadership board. So shout out to him, man. He made $27,000 on a 70k GBP account, or 21,000. I can't remember. It was, he made 37%. He made 37%, and yeah, he smashed the FTMO leaderboard. So, man, anything is possible. And so, you know, for some people that are watching, you know, this might not be a lot of money, right? Like, you know, once I get my profit split, because on this account I get 85%, because I've held this account for a while. You know, like if you just do percentage calculator, 85% of 9,000 is $7,600, and if you do that into Canadian dollars, bro, $9,500 would take me 3 months to make at my job, which was like a good job. 3 months of 40 hours a week, clocking in and out, bullshit meetings, headaches, fucking, like, excuse my language, sorry, but like, you know, I'd rather just do this, man. Like, come on, that's a no-brainer right there. So I understand it doesn't happen all the time, but man, if you can just, you know, for the people that you guys that are serious, like, that's why I kind of put this video should be like a little bit motivational. Like, yo, if somebody, if he can do, I used to look at it like this way on YouTube: if that person can do it, I know, like, why can't I? You know, what's my excuse? So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This account I'm done with. Tomorrow we have a live trading session with the Discord community. And if I do take a trade, it will be on my personal account. And I'm just gonna separate these two accounts from Social Trader Tools. But please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these. Hit the like button and leave a comment, man. Let me know what you thought about this video and if there's anything else you guys would like to see.